Hello, we are LBSA. We're the only cultural organization within the Orfila College of Business, a club in which you don't need to have Latinx origins or even be a business major to benefit from. And today we bring you Tinga. Tinga is a traditional Mexican dish made from chipotle peppers, chicken, and onions. But enough of the talk, let's get to cooking. First things first, we gotta make sure the chicken is even worth making into Tinga. And then we just make sure that all the fat is off the chicken. Now that we sort of prepared our chicken, we have to put it in just enough water to cover the top of the chicken. We're going to be boiling this chicken, which I know it sounds disgusting, but trust me. Now we're going to go ahead and make sure we salt this chicken because we don't want it to come out with absolutely no flavor whatsoever. And we went with a more traditional approach, but you could always salt bay it if you'd like. And here comes our garlic clove. Now it's time to turn up the heat. It's going to be here for about 40 minutes, but while that's happening, we're going to take advantage of that and cut some onions and try not to cry, because their girlfriend left us about 2 years ago. And we're going to have to make sure these onions aren't too thick because we want to try to taste them in every single bite. And here's a secret ingredient that we use for all our tinga that makes it the perfect combination of sweet and spicy. It's La Morena chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. And what we're looking for is a sauce that has a little bit of a thick consistency, that's also a little watery. And we're going to do that by adding waters to these peppers. Then we're going to go ahead and play one of my favorite games. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna go ahead and do this up until the chicken's all shredded, and we're looking for nice, long, thin pieces. We have finally made all the ingredients we need, so all that's left to do is put a little oil in a sizzling pan. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and add our onions into this sizzling hot pan in order for them to just soften. We don't want them caramelized, just soften. Now we'll add our sauce to those onions up until the point that it boils. All that's left to do is add our chicken, mix it up, and we're all good to go. And you might be asking yourself, well, what do I do with this now? First of all, you're going to want to go ahead and get a tostada. Now to that tostada, all we're going to do is add some crema, and the thing you worked so hard to make, that tinga, but we're not done yet. Finally, you're going to go ahead and add some cheese, some lettuce. All you have to do is say thank you to LBSA. And if you'd like to know a little bit more about us, you can visit our website at calpolylbsa.org, or you can even follow us on Instagram at LBSA Calpoly, and we'll see you next time.